Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. So in this today's video, we are going to understand what are CSS units. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. So in our daily life, we use units like kilometer, meters, centimeters and inches. So similarly, in CSS, we have units like pixels, rem, em, viewports and many more. Let's explore them one by one. So first I am starting with pixels. We know that our screen is made of pixels. When we set something to 10 pixels, it means we are giving it a size equivalent to 10 pixels on your screen. Simple, right? Let's see this in Visual Studio Code. So here I am going to create a new file named CSS Units.html. Now get a basic HTML syntax by typing a keyword. And inside our body, I am going to create a new heading called Hello World. So here I am using internal CSS. So first add a style tag and inside it we can write our CSS. So I am targeting this heading 1 and inside curly braces. First let's view this in the browser. Right click here and open this page using live server. Now see here our heading is displayed. So hover here and make the browser and Visual Studio Code side by side, so it will help us to see the changes. Now here first I am changing the heading color to blue. Okay, so I am adding a property called font size and I am setting its value to 40 pixels. Let's increase it more. I am setting its size to 100 pixels. Perfect. So this is how we use pixels. Now let's talk about relative units. So we have rem and em. These units bring a sense of flexibility to our designs. Rem stands for root em and it's relative to the font size of the root element. Meanwhile, em is relative to its parent's font size. It's like passing down size trace through the family tree. So let's see a practical demo of this. Now here, I am going to wrap this heading inside a div and let's target this div and I am setting its font size to 10 pixel. And I am changing the font size of our heading to 1 em. Okay, so see here, now the font size of our heading is very small. It's because we have set the font size of our div is 10 pixels. So this heading is dependent on this div. So if I change the value to 100 pixels, see here, now it's displaying the heading larger. So this 1 em means 100 pixels because it's dependent on its parent div. Now let's see rem. So I am changing this em to 1 rem. So this time this 1 rem means 16 pixels. So by default 1 rem equals to 16 pixels, and if we want to change it, then we can give it em and then define the size in pixels to our parent div. So I hope you understood it. Now the next in the list is viewport units. Viewports are denoted as VW and VH. These units scale based on the viewport size. VW is a percentage of the viewport width, while VH is a percentage of the viewport height. So viewport means the size of our entire screen, whether it's vertical or horizontal. So let's see an example of it. So here I am giving a background color to this div, red, and first let's remove the default margin and padding, type asterisk, then inside curly braces I am setting the margin to 0, also padding to 0. So here I am adding the height of 100 VH to our div. So now see here, it acquires the entire height of our screen, and also let's give him a width of 100 VW. Okay, so it acquired the entire size of our width and height. If I set the width to 50 VW. Now see here, it acquired the width of our half screen. So this is how VW and VH work. Now it's time to see the percentage. When we use percentage in CSS, we are telling our elements to take a portion of their parent container. It's like slicing the cake and everyone gets their fair share. So let's see this with an example. So I'm giving a background color to our heading, green, and after that I'm adding height property. And here I am providing a value in percentage. So here I am setting 50%. So it means our heading will acquire 50% height of its parent. If I change it to 80%, then see here it's expanded more. Now let's set it to 100%. So it acquired the 100% height of its parent. So I hope you understood this video. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.